At S5, innovation is at the core of what we do. In 2024 alone, we added 50 new patents, bringing our total to 194 since our first in 1991. These patents span the globe, with approvals from agencies across Europe, the Americas, Asia Pacific, and beyond, solidifying our leadership in metal roof attachments worldwide. S5 is the first metal roof mounting system manufacturer, in the distinctive product category it originally invented, to achieve these industry-defining accreditations. With FM approvals listings to FM 4478 for our PVKIT HUR 2.0, our railless, direct-attached solar mounting system was able to withstand wind uplift forces of up to 150 PSF. Additionally, S5 standing seam clamps have earned Florida product approvals for high velocity and hurricane zone, a rigorous approval for high wind zones, meaning our solutions are proven to perform, no matter the conditions.
Patentable innovations are certainly proof of an innovative outfit, and yes, we're proud of our innovations as measured by the number of issued patents over the 33 years since our founding. But patented inventions are not the only measure of innovation. At S5, we innovate every facet of what we do, from certified testing to marketing to the certified manufacturing processes of our products in our own state-of-the-art plant, to offering the only lifetime warranty in the entire industry. But still, innovation is not the sole yardstick of doing things the right way, as we say. The other right way practices are listed on our values and code of conduct statements. Check them out under the Company tab on the homepage of our website. Then click Who We Are on the drop-down. These attributes listed, all combined with innovation, are our business ethos and what makes us the global leaders within the space that we created back in 1992.
S5, setting the standard for metal roof attachments worldwide.